The Leyenda Vallenata Festival is the most popular and familiar event of the vallenato music in Colombia. It takes place annually in Valledupar and is organized by the Leyenda Vallenata Festival Foundation.
The Leyenda Vallenata Festival Foundation says that the event defends and promotes the folklore expression called vallenato and its four rhythms: paseo, merengue, son, and puya.
40 years ago, three people thought in create something to preserve and quit the vallenato culture. They thought that it was necessary to conserve this culture through the time. For this reason, they decided to create the Leyenda Vallenata Festival.
The festival was created in 1968 by Cesar Governor, composer Rafael Escalona, and Consuelo Araujo Noguera. Little by little, the festival started to be more and more important in our country.
The importance that this Vallenato Legend Festival has had nationally since its creation is undeniable, not only for the presence of the Republic President and some members of the Presidential Cabinet in this act of inauguration every year, if not for the unusual success that the Vallenata music gets. Around 400 journalists that represent an approximate number of 200 media communication of the country and some international participate in the coverage of this event, and this is an evidence that the cultural relevance that this has. On the other hand, this festival has served national and internationally. First, to the projection of our region, our music and interpreters, because our musical embassies have reached too many countries like Spain, France, USA, Alemania, and others. So, through this festival, we want to share and save this kind of music that is considered like cultural heritage.
The Vallenato Legend Festival is a place to recreate the magic of a land where myth, custom, and oral richness nourish day by day the literature, where the lyric and melody of Vallenato are woven. To conclude, the festival has 7 different competitions. 1. Professional Vallenato King is a competition between people that their job derives from the Vallenato music. Second, Amateur Vallenato King is a competition between people who play the vallenato music for fun. This competition takes place every 10 years and can only engage those who have been kings in the professional category. Young Vallenato King. This competition is between young people who have between 14 and 18 years old. 5. Kid Vallenato King is a competition between kids under 10 years old. 6. Unpublished Song is a competition where participants expose their unpublished song. 7. And finally, Vallenato King of the Piquería is a competition between versadores.